Our galaxy is racing through space at 600 kilometers per second. Nobody knows why. Something massive is pulling us. We feel its gravity. We can't see it. In the 1970s, astronomers measured how our local group of galaxies moves against the cosmic microwave background, the heat left from the Big Bang. The result was strange. We weren't drifting randomly through space. We were being pulled, coherently, with hundreds of nearby galaxies, toward a single specific point in the sky. And the pull was enormous. That point sits in the constellation Centaurus. And right away, a problem. It lies behind the bright, dusty band of the Milky Way, what astronomers call the Zone of Avoidance. The thickest part of our own galaxy is blocking the view. The one direction we're being pulled is the one direction we cannot easily see through. In the 1980s, the team mapping this motion gave it a name. They called it the Great Attractor. It had the gravitational pull of tens of thousands of galaxies. And they could estimate where. About 250 million light-years away, somewhere behind the dust. That's far, but not so far that we shouldn't be able to see something. In the 1990s, astronomers turned to X-ray surveys. They can cut through the dust where visible light can't. When they aimed them at the Great Attractor, something appeared. They found the Norma Cluster, sitting almost exactly where the pull was coming from. It looked like a perfect match. The answer everyone was waiting for. When astronomers added up the mass of the Norma Cluster, every galaxy, every cloud of gas, it wasn't enough, not even close. Something heavier had to be further out. Further out, 650 million light-years away, they found it, the Shapley Supercluster, the largest known concentration of galaxies in our part of the universe. 24 clusters, tens of thousands of galaxies, a cosmic giant. And its gravity is pulling on us, across 500 million light-years of empty space. Then in 2014, astronomer Brent Tully did something new. He mapped the motion of every galaxy he could measure, 100,000 of them in total. What he found was breathtaking. Every one of those galaxies, including our own, is sliding toward the same gravitational center. We're all part of one enormous structure. Tully named it Laniakea, immense heaven, in Hawaiian. We don't just live in a galaxy. We live inside a supercluster 500 million light-years across. But here's what's strange. Even with Laniakea, even with Shapley, after 50 years of mapping, the gravitational math still doesn't quite add up. Something is missing. Something out there is still pulling us. Pulling our entire cosmic neighborhood. And to this day, no one has fully accounted for what it actually is. Maybe it's dark matter. Maybe it's structure we haven't mapped yet. Maybe it's something else entirely. The Great Attractor is still partly unsolved. We've named it. We've mapped what we can see. We still don't know what's at the bottom of the pull. Something massive, something hidden, pulling us through space,